Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Cloudflare Captcha to your website. In this walkthrough, we'll be setting up Cloudflare Turnstile, which is Cloudflare's Captcha solution designed to help protect your website from spam and automated abuse while keeping the experience smooth for real users. We'll go through the setup process inside the Cloudflare dashboard from opening the right section to creating your widget. To begin, sign into your Cloudflare account and go to your account homepage. This is the main dashboard area where you can access security tools, account settings, and website-related features. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account before continuing. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Application Security. This section contains tools related to protecting your applications and websites, so it's where you'll find the Captcha option we need for this setup. After that, click on Turnstile. Turnstile is Cloudflare's verification tool that helps confirm visitors are legitimate without relying on the more frustrating Captcha experiences many users are used to. Opening this section will take you to the area where you can create and manage widgets for your website. From the Turnstile page, click on Add Widget Manually. This option allows you to create a new widget yourself rather than using a pre-configured flow. It gives you direct control over the setup and is useful when you want to connect Turnstile to a specific site or form. You'll then be prompted to enter a widget name. Choose a name that helps you easily recognize where this widget will be used, such as the page, form, or website section it belongs to. Keeping names organized can save time later if you manage multiple widgets. Next, enter the host name information in the host name management section. This tells Cloudflare which domain or website location the widget should be associated with. Be sure to enter the correct host name for the site where the Captcha will appear so the configuration works properly. After entering the hostname details, click on Manage. This allows you to review or confirm the hostname settings before creating the widget. It's a good idea to double-check everything here to avoid setup issues later. Once that's done, click Create. This completes the widget setup process and generates your Turnstile configuration inside Cloudflare. And that's it. You've successfully created a Cloudflare Turnstile widget for your website. After creation, you can move on to placing it on your site wherever visitor verification is needed.